using the different features, I will make that pattern stem. To use it, let's generate another design. To make the changes, I will use the adjustment, add some exposure, offset. So we will use another design to have. I will use another filter here from the filter gallery. So let's make the texture. I will add some intensity.